I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you 4 changes you can make to fix the problem where your Android device battery is draining quickly. The first thing you'll want to do is see which apps are using the majority of your Android device's battery. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Swipe down this menu and then tap Battery. Step 3. Tap Battery Usage in this menu. Step 4. Scroll down this menu to the Battery Usage since last full charge section. This is where you'll see a list of apps sorted by how much of your Android device's battery they are responsible for using since your last full charge. Next, let's look at how to enable the adaptive battery feature, which uses AI to learn which apps you use most often and redirects power away from apps you rarely touch to help your battery last longer throughout the day. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Battery. Step 3. Swipe down this list of options and then tap Battery Saver. Associated options are shown. Step 4. Tap to expand Adaptive Battery in this menu, and then tap to toggle on Use Adaptive Battery. The Adaptive Battery feature will be enabled on your Android device immediately. The next thing you can do to fix your Android battery draining quickly is to enable and turn on the dark theme. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap Display and Touch in this menu. Step 3. Find the Appearance section and then tap to toggle on Dark Theme. Dark mode will be enabled on your Android device immediately. And finally, you'll want to reduce your Android device's screen timeout, which means there will be less time when the screen is on and not being used before it goes into standby mode. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Display and Touch. Step 3. Navigate to the Lock Display section and then tap Screen Timeout. You'll see your current screen timeout selection and a list of all of the options you can change to. Step 4. Tap to choose a lower screen timeout time than what you have now. Your selection will be your new screen timeout starting immediately on your Android device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.